Welcome to DeFi Crypto today. Our topic today is Kandyland, the home fork on Avalanche. I kind of like this project, although it's relatively new. Simply because the team behind it is pretty serious about security and so on. The CEO was KYC'd by Assured. As you can see here, they have their NFT certificate right there. They also had an audit done already at Soken. So you can have a look at the audit. All the links for this stuff is in the description below. Their treasury is also multi-sig. So, they managed to put several security features in place. And that's why I kind of like the project. Now, what you need to do is you should definitely go on their Twitter to know about the events. From time to time, they have giveaways. You can win contests and so on. So you can win like free tokens and whatnot. And they announced yesterday that they had bonds at very high ROI. Now the ROI is much lower now, but for a while you could get a pretty decent return on your bonds. Now, to get to the rest of their social media, you should definitely click on Linktree here. It brings you to this page. And you have the links to the major things. So the KYC is here, the roadmap, tokenomics, documentation, Medium articles, Telegram, Twitter, the official website, and the Discord. Discord is where you're going to get the most up-to-date information. Okay. So here they talk again about their KYC and so on. They talk about their audit right there. The link to the audit is right here and so on. So you can also, discuss things with them and like go in the chat room, for instance, and you've got the officials right here. So if you've got questions, you're not sure how to do something, they're right there ready to help you. All right. Okay, another fun fact is they're on the Coinbase token price charts, so it's easy to find them. And let's have a look at the website. So at the moment, don't forget, you need to be on Avalanche, okay, for this. So set up your Metamask for Avalanche. And if we go on the stake page, right now you can get a really amazing 3,500,000% APY at the moment. Now to add the token to your wallet, you go here, you hit on KANDY, and Metamask wakes up, and we can add the KANDY token. And then we have the staked KANDY, sKANDY, which we're going to add as well. So, like this. Okay. Now, for those that are not familiar with the system, what you do is you buy yourself some KANDY tokens. I'm going to show you where to go. And once you have them in your wallet, you come here and you need to stake them. If you don't stake them, you're not earning this amazing APY here. So you need to stake. So the first time you stake, you need to hit approve and then confirm in MetaMask. And then again, and the button then changes and says stake. And once it says stake, you can stake your KANDY token. And the KANDY token at first appear over here. And then once they're staked, the value that's here moves down here. So, and then that's how you know how many stake token you have. Now, here's something very important. There's a warm-up period, okay? So when each time you add new token, you stake new tokens, they have a warm-up period. So note that there's a 2 epoch warm-up staking period where users must be staked for more than 2 epochs before claiming their funds. 1 epoch is 8 hours. So you need to wait at least 16 hours before you can claim your rebases, okay? Now, users will accumulate rewards while in the warm-up period, but will not be able to claim them for 2 epochs. When 2 epochs have elapsed, your warm-up balance can be claimed from the warm-up contract to your wallet and receive the rebase rewards continuously. Re-adding to the warm-up will reset your timer back to 2 epochs. If you choose to no longer stake to participate, you may forfeit from the contract or click the forfeit button to receive your stake balance minus accumulated rewards. Okay, why did they implement this? Well, as a lot of you are probably aware, there was a big wave of own forks for a while, and then bots came in there and stake the token minutes before the rebase time, and then unstake minutes after they got the rebases, just to get the APY risk-free. Meanwhile, regular people that just bought the token and staked them and stayed staked, basically they were losing out because the bots were stealing their money. So this is a way to help protect the treasury against bots. Okay. All right. So let's have a look at how we can buy the tokens. So there's a link here. It says buy on TraderJoe. So you go here, and the first time you see, each time you're going to go on TraderJoe, you're going to have a warning message like this. TraderJoe wants to make sure that you got the correct contract address because it's a new token and TraderJoe is not very familiar with it. So we click I understand and we continue. So we'll remove this. All right. So typically the easiest way to buy the KANDY token, okay, is to have MIM in your wallet. Okay. So you put some MIM here. And it's going, so let's have 100 MIM. I could buy 153 KANDY tokens. Okay. And then you hit swap, confirm in Metamask, and then you have KANDY tokens in your wallet. Once you have that, then you come back here, you approve, and then you stake. If you don't stake, you don't get this APY. So you're just wasting your time. Okay, make sure you stake. Okay, that's the best way to benefit from this. Okay, so and then here you have little calculators. So let's say you put, let's say you bought 100 KANDY token at 62 cents at the current APY, which is right there. And let's say the price of the token stays at 62 cents for 30 days. Your potential return is $146. So you could potentially double your money in 30 days if everything goes well. If the market crashes further, if the Federal Reserve raises interest rate, God knows, a million things can happen. So this is not guaranteed. Okay, the APY is just potential. Okay, the rates is real. The tokens are real, but the return in 30 days or more, we don't know yet, okay? Because we cannot see the future. But anyway, I like this project. It's the people behind it are very serious, okay? I've talked to them multiple times. And I think it's a good project. So, as always, if you're interested in this project, don't put all your money in it, okay? It's very, very risky. You can lose all your money on any crypto project, okay? Remember that, okay? So remember the risks. All right, so finally, there's the documentation. They explain how to do stuff, okay, how to stake and all that jazz. It's right here. But the best place for information is Discord. That's where you're going to get the most up-to-date information, and that's where you can talk to the officials, okay? And they'll help you and answer all your questions. They're very nice. All right, so that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Download the free book. All you have to do is click the link, put your name, your email address, hit the submit button, and then you get a big fat button that says download the free book. And if you miss that button, well, we're going to email you another button that says download the free book. And if you don't want a free book, well, that's fine. You just go to Amazon, pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will send me $1. See ya.